Today, I am going to talk about Prompt 6.2 using The Island of Dr. Moreau by H.G. Wells, including Edward Prendrick, Dr. Moreau, Montgomery, the Beast Folk, and the Sea Captain. The Sea Captain gene product stimulates the transcription of Edward Prendrick, while the Edward Prendrick gene product inhibits the transcription of Montgomery. The Montgomery gene product stimulates Moreau, and Moreau performs vivisections on the Beast Folk. In the book, the Sea Captain drops Edward Prendrick off at the Eponymous Island. However, Prendrick catches wind of Moreau's experiment and wants Montgomery to stop him. Montgomery is the caretaker of the island and helps Moreau, and Moreau experiments on the animal. With the relationship defined as is, the Sea Captain allows the transcription of Edward, which in turn causes Montgomery to be hindered in transcription. Since there is no Montgomery, Moreau can't be synthesized. If Moreau is hindered, then he will not be able to perform experiments. The interactions defined either activate or repress. All gene products that aid transcription in another gene product's creation, like the Sea Captain to Prendrick, is activating, while products that inhibit the creation of other products are repressing, like Prendrick to Montgomery. An example of an activating gene product in real life is the breakdown of malt sugar in E. coli. The enzymes used for breaking down the maltose are transcribed only when activators exist in the cell, of which there are too many to list here. Maltose breaking down helps the E. coli gain energy. A repressing gene in cyanobacteria called Cas9 can stop transcription of a green fluorescent protein, which is a gene product that makes a green glow. Now, what happens to Moreau if one product is a mutant? For example, if the Sea Captain is a mutant, then he wouldn't activate Edward Prendrick, rather he would repress him. Prendrick's non-existence would allow Montgomery to activate Moreau, and Moreau would be able to perform vivisections on the Beast Folk. If Prendrick was a mutant, then Prendrick would stimulate transcription of Montgomery, and Montgomery would help with transcription of Moreau. Moreau would then perform experiments with the Beast Folk. If two gene products grew from mutated mRNA, then the pathway would change again. If Prendrick was mutated to aid in the transcription of Montgomery, but Montgomery would inhibit Moreau, it would prevent Moreau from making experiments. Therefore, the end product is the same as in the wild type, but the pathway changed. And here are my citations.